Hello everyone, this is Jason from China. Today I will share the chemical molecular structure of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. Enjoy sharing. Earlier we talked about the molecular structure of all the nylon family, as well as the types of nylon. Today we will focus on nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 because these two types of nylon are the most common base resin chosen by our compounding factory. So let's start with nylon 6. Nylon 6 is known as polyamide 6 or polycaprolactam. Its monomer is caprolactam and its molecular structure is as below. Its molecular structure is also shown in the following ways. Red represents carbon atoms, gray represents hydrogen atoms, blue represents oxygen atoms, and green represents nitrogen atoms. This is their long chain together display. Nylon 6,6, also known as polyamide 6,6 or polyhexamethylene adipamide. Its monomer adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, and its molecular structure is as below. Its molecular structure is also shown in the following ways. Red represents carbon atoms, gray represents hydrogen atoms, blue represents oxygen atoms, and green represents nitrogen atoms. This is their long chain together display. From the molecular structure of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 above, a feature was found. That is, the molecular main chain contains repeated amide group NHCO, which is also a unique feature of all nylons. The amide group is a group formed by the condensation of the carbonyl group CO and the amino group NH in the amide molecule. This is a polar group because the nitrogen atoms in the amide group have a certain electronegativity, giving the amide molecule a certain polarity. This polarity makes the amide molecule somewhat soluble and hydrophilic. This amide group can make nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 well combined with each other, but due to the difference in molecular structure, nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 combination is slightly different. The left side of the figure is nylon 6, the right side is nylon 6,6. We see that the internal combination of nylon 6 is relatively less, and then through hydrogen bonding combined with hydroxide ions in the air to form water. This is also why the water absorption of nylon 6 is relatively large. The crystallinity of nylon is also different because of hydrogen bonding, so the crystallinity of Pa6,6 is higher than that of Pa6. Let's check below pictures. On the left is nylon 6,6 and on the right is nylon 6. That's all for today. Introduction of the molecular structure of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. The characteristics of amide group. Next time, we will talk about the polymerization process of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. This is Jason, a layman who studied nylon. Thank you. See you later. Or polyhexamethylene diamine. Polyhexaethylene, polyhexaethylene adipamide.